Do this one thing and you can have any guy you want. The irresistible secrets no one talks about. There is an evolutionary secret that might help you learn how to attract guys and make them want you right away. And the true secret is right here. It takes more than a few hints or actions to pique a guy's attention. You'll see things in a whole new light if you comprehend the very real concept of attraction. As complicated as it may appear, the science of attraction between sexes is rather easy to describe in a few sentences. What attracts you to a man? We found through thousands of studies and research over the years that ladies are more drawn to men who appear healthy and stress-free, have a healthy amount of testosterone that makes them look more muscular and chiseled, and have a protective streak that makes them a wonderful partner and a parent. Guys, on the other hand, are more easily drawn to women based on their physical appearance or personality. But wait, there's more. To properly grasp how to attract men and how the mind of a man works, we must go deeper into the notion of attraction from the male perspective. How to entice guys in a way that they can't resist. There are several reasons why a man could adore a girl. However, her physical attributes and her personality are more important than anything else when it comes to the physical or sexual attraction at first sight. We're just being honest here. And we all need somewhere to start. You just need to catch a man's attention in the appropriate way if you want to draw him and make him want you. But here's the important thing to remember, and you should keep this in mind. Love and attraction are not the same things. You could be really sexy and desirable to a guy, yet he might not end up falling in love with you. Of course, in order for love to flourish in the first place, you must first captivate him and develop sexual desire with him. But in order for him to fall in love with you, he must feel emotionally attached to you. Attraction and a man's perception of a woman's body. Because we know that physical appeal plays a significant role in enticing a guy, you must grasp what a guy's mind tells him when he sees you and sexually evaluates you. When a man sees a girl's physical attributes, he unconsciously sees more than simply her breasts or butt. A woman with the perfect curves in all the right places signals to a guy that she's fertile, has reached puberty, and is healthy because her body can afford to waste energy on growing her curves, which play the most important role in sexual appeal. A man could find a girl appealing, but in his subconscious mind, he sees you as the woman who will one day bear his kids. Of course, whether you're seeking a fling or a companion, this is what a man unconsciously looks for in a woman if he plans to approach her. Testosterone and a man's sexual preference. In his testicles, every man produces the sexual hormone testosterone, and the ovaries of a woman produce a modest quantity of testosterone. The more testosterone a guy produces, the more masculine and sexually active he appears to be. His voice is deeper, his jaws are broader and more defined, and his facial features seem manlier. Additionally, several studies have demonstrated that males are more drawn to feminine features in women the more macho they are. On the other side, a tiny proportion of men with lower than average testosterone production may discover that they are more drawn to women who are less feminine and who are more dominating and dominant in the relationship. Since a lot of guys produce normal or high amounts of testosterone, even if American men's average testosterone levels have dramatically decreased over the past 50 years, if you're seeking to attract a macho guy, he'd probably like you if your conduct is more feminine, charming, and girly. So now you know the secret of attracting any man to you. It is being more feminine and girly. The most obvious evidence of femininity in a girl is her physical attributes, but sometimes it also pays to show more femininity in your behavior. No, I'm not talking about pink frills and scented paper. There are, however, other ways to appear more appealing and entice a guy to take a second and third look at you. Femininity changes everything. When a girl acts charming and feminine, it triggers a man's protective instincts. Rather than being frightened by a feminine female, he feels vulnerable and protective of her. That makes him feel more macho, which is something every man enjoys. Femininity comes easily to most ladies, yet it is a skill worth developing. If you want to know how to attract guys, simply express your feminine side when talking to them. And after you give that a try, you'll know what I'm talking about. It is quite simple to learn how to attract guys. Let the world see your femininity. Yes, the men will come in droves. Thanks for watching.